জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী, জয় বিশালাক্ষী, জয়।
Nayan, what are you looking at?
Tripto? Tripto, have you really been able to recognize me?
Nayan, what are you saying? Why will I not recognize you? What are you saying, Nayan?
Your Lourdes does not seem to have done anything for you. Today, if the Lourdes wants to reward you under the pretext of her danger, won't you stop her? I must inflict a little pain upon you in order to assure your well-being. Oh, Lourdes, Lourdes Vishalakshi, did you return Tripto to me? I fail to understand your grace and glory, Lourdes. Fail to understand.
But Nayan, what are you doing here, and how did I come here in search of you? I don't understand. I cannot seem to remember anything at all. How did I come here? Nayan, you please tell me. Why don't I remember anything from the past? Tell me, please.
How will you remember, Tripto? How will you remember? You had lost your memory, Tripto.
What did you say? Did I lose my memory?
Yes, Tripto. That is why you could not even recognize me.
Was I unable to recognize you as well, Nayan? Oh, that is why you were staring at me when I called you by your name, right? In order to find out whether or not I've really recognized you.
Tripto, you can't even imagine how much I have tried. I have tried so much to make you remember just for once that I am Nayan. I am Nayan. I have banged my head in front of the Lotus to request to bring back your memory, Dripto. Dripto, it seems that the Lotus has listened to my prayers. She has brought your memory back.
But Nayan, how did such a major incident happen? How? Tell me, Nayan.
That night had changed everything, Dripto. The Lotus had made me foresee a danger to you. I had foreseen that someone was pushing you from a great height, but I was unable to run towards you in order to save you. Because before that, Jasmine...
I've come out. You should come out as well. Come on, quick. Oh no. Nayan, were you bitten by a snake? Then you should have...
Dripto, maybe Lotus Vishalakshi did not want me to go away from you. Maybe that is why this journey followed. Anyway, let's not talk about me. But Dripto, do you remember that? Who pushed you from such a height? Who was the one trying to push you to death? Please, Dripto, please try to remember. Please try to remember, Dripto. Please try to remember for once.
Where is Nayan?
I just pushed her from here.
Nayan! Mother. My stepmother.
What are you saying, Dripto?
Nayan, I'm telling the absolute truth. My stepmother and Uncle Vicky had conspired to kill me, do you know? Uncle Vicky had called me on that day. What are you saying? What is mother doing there with Nayan?
That is what I'm saying.
Listen to me. Sanjukta has said that something bad is bound to happen. Either Nayan will live or Sanjukta.
Uncle? Uncle, what happened? Open.
Nayan,
But you come outside first.
you won't be able to open the door. Go upstairs, go.
Nayan! 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 I had rushed to save you because Uncle Vicky had called to inform me. But Nayan, that was a trap. I did not realize that it was a trap. They had used you as a leverage. And they knew this very well, Nayan, that I'll not rest in peace after hearing about a danger to you. They knew that I would go to save you.
I was aware, Dripto. I knew it. That your stepmother is not a good person. She has tried to harm you several times, even in the
But
past.
Nayan, if you knew everything, then why did you not tell me? What would you have done by telling me? I was actually not in my... I adored my mother so much that I wouldn't have trusted you. I only believed after I witnessed it with my own eyes. But Nayan, how did Jasmine know?
Dripto, I was an obstacle in the way of Jasmine. Do you know that? I was about to prove that Jasmine is not pregnant with your child. Instead, the father of her child is someone else. Therefore, in order to shut my mouth, she attempted to kill me by having me bitten by a snake.
I remember now, Nayan. Nayan, now I remember everything. Now everything seems as clear as daylight to me. I know everything. Jasmine was the one to claim that I was the father of her child. Nayan, in this situation that we are today, the responsible people are Jasmine and my stepmother. Yes. But Nayan, so much has happened, but I was unable to do anything at all. I wasn't able to stop anything.
Tripto, please calm down. You have not recovered completely.
No, I will not calm down. Nayan, I will not calm down, okay? Unless I take revenge for their crimes, I won't calm down. They have committed a lot of crimes, but not anymore. People who have wronged us, I shall not spare them. I'll make them pay for their sins they have done.
Tripto! Tripto! Tripto, are you alright? Tripto! Tripto, are you alright? Tell me. Tripto, you are unwell. You should come with me. Let's go. Come with me
Where will you take me?
to the temple. Come on, Tripto. Let's go.
No. Please listen to me once you all.
No. Whatever happened was wrong. How did you take the decision all by yourself to let our Lordess leave the temple?
Yes, exactly. Our Lordess has already left us once. When she had returned herself, then why did you let her leave?
No, please, do not misunderstand our Lordess. Please listen to the reason why I had to let her go. Whatever has happened to her is a grave injustice.
Justice? What injustice are you talking about?
She has a family. She has a husband. The fact that she returned and took up the guise of a Lordess was not out of her will, but out of her sadness. We have a responsibility towards her to make sure that she returns to her family, right?
Come inside, Tripto.
My child, where did you run away to, Nayan? Come on, come inside.
Stop.
What is this? Why are you blocking his way?
He has no reason to come here. You should leave.
What are you saying? Let him come inside. What is happening? Why are you people blocking his way?
We have no other option than to block his way. Please, do not forget you are a Lordess.
No, look, I am not a Lordess. Guruma, my husband has regained his memory. He has finally been able to recognize
Oh,
me.
really? Has he really been able to recognize you? Hail the Lordess! Hail the Lordess! Hail the Lordess!
Yes, Guruma. It is because of the blessings of the Lordess that this is possible. That is why I have brought him here to offer prayers to the Lordess. Please ask them to let him come inside.
No. Please do not trouble this girl anymore. She has already gone through a lot of pain. Please let him come inside. Let him come inside. Allow them to seek blessings from the
No,
Lordess.
he cannot be allowed to come inside. I'm asking you, just go away from here.
You go away. Go away if you wish for your own good. No. No matter how much you people try to frighten me, I will take Nayan away from here today itself.
Tell me, where is Deepu? Where is Dripto? Tell me.
Oh Lord! I'm telling you, I don't know where Dripto is.
What makes you think I will believe in what you say? Dripto was under your care. Now, why do you say you don't know? I'm sure you must have sent him somewhere. I'm sure about that.
What nonsense are you people saying? I'm telling you that I don't know. Why would I send Dripto away? You tell me.
How are we supposed to know that? We are not sinners like you, that we will sit and analyze the sins. No one other than you would know about what's going on in your mind. Maybe you are planning to harm us. Maybe you are planning a conspiracy.
What? Listen to me. Do not speak rubbish, okay? Don't you dare raise your voice. The thief has a loud enough voice. You had separated Deepu from us because you wanted to feed your lies to him. Then why did you fail to keep an eye on him? He is already unwell. I wonder where he has gone, where he is.
You know, the act that you're putting up is not up to the mark.
What exactly do you mean?
You don't seem to understand, do you?
No, we cannot understand. Please elaborate.
Oh, is it? Dripto cannot be found, so who are the ones responsible for it?
What?
Yes! You people had a hand in making Dripto disappear. So you people should know where he is.
Jasmine.
Keep quiet. Do not talk like a fool, okay? Now enough is enough. Since Nayan came here, I have had a bad feeling already since then. I was doubtful that you people would send Dripto away, and I was correct at that time. My intuition was correct. I can understand very well that Dripto has gone away and you guys have a hand in it. You people have sent Dripto to Nayan behind my back.
By plotting and planning conspiracies, it seems you have lost your mind. If we had to send Dripto away to Nayan, then yesterday, when Nayan came and fell at our feet and cried tears of pain and misery, we did not say anything at that moment. We were silent then. Do you think that I did not wish to expose your sinister plans to him? Did I not wish to tell Dripto that it is Nayan who is actually his wife, and Jasmine is a liar who has convinced you to believe her lies? However, I could not say anything because it might have inflicted a lot of stress upon Dripto's brain. I have tolerated everything with a heavy heart. I even restricted Pratima from saying anything to Dripto. For everyone in this family, Nayan has always sacrificed her life and happiness. But when she was in trouble and need of help, none of us could stand by her side. And you are saying that we have sent Dripto away to Nayan?
Yes! You people could have sent him. Out of fear, you people did not engage in a fight with me. And today you people sent Dripto away to Nayan behind my back. Didn't you? What did you say? Huh? You mean that we have sent Deepu away? Do you think Deepu is some consumable good that we will send him away? Hey, listen, stop saying things like a fool, okay? I'm sure that you people, you are the ones to send him away from me. What was the name of that place? What was the name of that ashram? Oh Lord, what was the name of that place? I think I forgot the name. No, I must find out the name of that place. No matter at what cost, I'll have to go there. Hey, Aunt! I hope what Chowmin said is not the truth. Has Deepu really gone to find Nayan? But Deepu is unwell. Will he be able to remember the name of the place? Oh no!
Come here fast.
What happened?
Look, that man has come again. He has the audacity to say that he won't leave without taking our Lourdes away.
What? We shall see how he's able to take our Lourdes away.
Yes, we won't allow him to take our Lourdes away from here. We will never allow this to happen. I'm requesting you, trust me. We shall return right after we have sought blessings from the Lourdes. Please don't stop us.
No. This cannot happen. All you should do is sit on the throne of the Lourdes. What relationship do you have with him? You should have relationship only with your devotees. You are our Lourdes and we are your children.
Oh Lourdes, your puja shall begin in a moment.
We won't allow you to go away with another man.
All of you, please calm down. Please listen to what I have to say. Look, I'm not just another man. Nayan is my wife. all of you, tell me something. If someone attempts to take away your wife from you, will you allow that to happen? I hope not. Nayan is the love of my life. I won't be able to live without her, seriously. Trust me, I will not be able to live without her. Please trust me. After having crossed a lot of dangers and turbulences, I realized that she is meant for me. I have finally realized how important she is in my life. Please trust me. I wish to give Nayan the respect that she deserves. Please don't stop me. Please let me take her with me. Please don't stop me.
Keep quiet. We have been listening to your nonsense for quite long. You belong to the city. You should return to the city. If you say anything about our Lourdes, you will be in great trouble. I'm telling you.